Good evening. This is David DT, Trading-to-Win.com. Kind of still sick like a dog, so probably going to require a few interruptions. What this video is about: market is in a topping process. Nothing really changed from September 23rd. S&P is up only slightly more than 2% up to the next stop, October 23rd. What is changing? Reaction to earnings. I don't pay direct attention to the news, but today's Baidu miss demonstrated some kind of growing intolerance, and I'm just wondering if hope of entire civilized world, new Chinese economy is going to collapse or not produce expected growth. What's going to happen? And this is kind of funny story. I grew up in Asian Republic. They were growing cotton over there, and every single year they were growing 5% more, another year 6% more, another year 5% more, 10% more, and so on. So the growth was just exponential, and it just blew up one day due to one simple reason. Government was paying money for nothing, and one day they realized that in entire Soviet Union was not enough trains to transport that cotton, even if they would be running day and night transporting only that cotton. So that was the end of the story. I'm not saying that China is pretty much the same, but you get the picture. Alright, beside my introductory mumbling, there's going to be a very fast video. What is changing on a technical front? As you can see, runs are getting of a smaller magnitude every single time. Distances between TD/ST lines getting narrower and narrower. This is new one. It's not quite visible, but I'm gonna try to pull it out. And the way price action is changing as well. Obvious change and loss of momentum. Anyhow, as you can see here, from lower support level to upper TD/ST line here, then consolidation in this area, never went below TD/ST resistance line, danced a little bit on TD/ST risk line, and proceeded higher. Next, the same support, TD/ST support, TD/ST resistance, and TD/ST risk level. Here it didn't go above TD/ST resistance level, and it went all the way down to support, from where it started another momentum move up. Now this is the current TD/ST support. It's 105 S&P approximately. This is TD/ST resistance 110, and TD/ST risk level is about 112. And why it makes a lot of difference right now? This level is calculated target for wave 3 up, or, and it's always difficult to project, but WC target was really calculated up to 113, and unless it is above 113, we don't know really if it's a W3 or WC. So right now it is below target for either one of waves. It actually never even went above TD/ST resistance. It's heading down to TD/ST support, which is 105, and we have to watch for on what particular bar, if this area will be broken, that's gonna happen. This is bar 2. Well, tomorrow it might be bar 3, 4, and so on, but the concept is, if TD/ST support is broken on bar from 3 to 5, from 3 to 5, My handwriting is horrible, obviously. We can expect way more substantial downside. And if this is going to happen, at least one or two in store right away. And then again, we have to see how it's going to act in this area. But I guess we are in a process of substantial correction right now, and we can expect at least pullback somewhere from 102 to 105. If it's going to go below 10, 102, that's going to be a totally different story. This is David DT, Trading-to-Win.com. Good night.